You don't need to do affiliate marketing. No website is required. You don't need a social media following. You also don't need skills or any previous experience to do this method. Today, I'll be teaching a method where you'll feel at absolute ease as you can start making money online thanks to a website I recently found. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Let's get started. The website which I'll be talking to you about is something that you already might have heard. And if you haven't heard about this yet, this website is cjinc.info. This is a make money website. Creative jobs, work online, earn online, because we know you have enough skills. If you have a few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute small, time-bound, and highly playful tasks, then you are at the right place. They recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. They will pay you for your time if you're free to join. And yes, they are also free. And something that I know a lot of you will love about this is that this method is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can do this now. If you scroll down a bit, you will see these three people. This lady right here is from the Philippines. This other woman is from the United States. And this guy right here is from Australia. They all come from different parts of the world, which explains and which proves that this is available worldwide. These are some of the benefits of working online with this website. Work from anywhere, any place, anytime. If you want to become location independent and work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you just want the flexibility to work for yourself, then this is the portal for you. Earn money as much as you want without investment. cjinc.info is one of the few places where you can start with $0 and work your way up to a full-time income. Now with this info out of the way, let me explain how this works. This website is different because you're going to make money not by completing surveys or by watching videos or clicking on ads. In this website, you can find jobs that are sought after online. They do pay a decent amount of money. So right here we have market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising online, and teaching. We will be focusing on one job in particular, and that is proofreading. For those of you who are oblivious, proofreading is essentially correcting various errors in a text, so it does require more knowledge of English. However, I will show you a tool that will correct all the errors and all the mistakes in any article for absolutely free, and I will write an article with multiple errors on purpose to show you that it does work. So make sure you stay with me and finish the video so by the end of the video, you won't miss out on the important details. With that said, if you have the skills that cover other categories such as marketing research, typing jobs, translation, advertising, and online teaching, then you can focus on them too. For example, for the typing job, all you have to do is have fast typing speed and nothing else. If you happen to know 2 languages or even more, then working as a translator is even better. This can even pay off big time. The point is, in this tutorial, I will be focusing on proofreading, but you can of course choose whatever you want. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So to start working as a proofreader on this website, all you have to do is sign up. To do that, hover your mouse over Career on the top right corner of the screen. You then will obviously want to select Proofreading Jobs since that's what you're after. On the next page, they will give you more info on what proofreading is about. This term comes from the proofs. The final trial print is used to make corrections before the final printing. So the proofreader combs through the work looking for any glitches. In proofreading, work includes spaces, punctuation, spelling, alignment type, font and style, and other details. They will also cover here the nature of the job and more importantly for us, the rates. As you can see here, as a proofreader, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words depending on the work nature and accuracy levels. More importantly, since I will be sharing a tool that will help you correct the errors of an article, you can easily make a lot of money as a proofreader even if your knowledge in English is not that broad. So, to apply for work as a proofreader, all you have to do is scroll down a bit and you must click on this button which says Apply for Jobs. Then you will land on this page where you can see To Apply. You have to download the application form by clicking on this link right here. And if you click on that, you will then be redirected to this page, where you have to fill in some basic demographic information about yourself. You will need to select a job which you're applying for, and that is proofreading, and for the rest, just fill it out. Here below, you can see that they accept PayPal as a payment method, which is great. All you have to do is tick this box where you agree to the terms. Also, don't forget to put in your whole name here as your signature, and that's about it. Click on Submit when you're done filling out this form. Now, if you go back to the previous page, you will see that they will send you a script with multiple errors. Proofreading projects will provide you to digitally pre-typed or as image form in physical handwritten form to understand how to do the work our clients or partners provide sample work for you. This is where the tool I told you comes in. The tool is Grammarly. You can go over to their site on Grammarly.com. This is something I have been using myself for a while now, and I can guarantee you it's 100% legit. This is also one of the best tools out there which can help us correct errors in text. What we'll need to do is add Grammarly as an extension to Chrome, so you will be using Google Chrome as your browser. So click on this, and that will take you to this page right here, where you can add Grammarly as an extension. Once done, you can now sign up either via Gmail or your Facebook account or your Apple ID. If you don't want to do that, go here and fill out the needed information to complete the process. After filling it up, you can just click on Agree and sign up. From there, they will ask you a few questions like what do you need Grammarly for? And after answering all those basic questions, you will then land on this page right here where you can see that Grammarly does have a premium package, but it isn't necessary because the free one offers you exactly what you need. It helps you with spelling, grammar, and punctuation. This is what we need to do in Proofreading Jobs, as you can see here. So you don't have to pay Grammarly. You can save that money for something else. So now I'll try to show you how Grammarly works. Let me just copy an article, add in some errors, and let's see how Grammarly corrects them. What I did is I copied an article from medicalnewstoday.com about losing weight. I pasted it on Google Docs and then I edited a bit of the text so it'll have errors. Check this out. Not only did it detect every mistake, which includes small errors like punctuation marks, but it shows you here the overall score of your text, the correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So Grammarly goes above and beyond just to correct your grammatical errors, and you can do all of this completely for free. Moreover, by far the best thing about this is that you don't have to manually correct every error because you can only click the errors over here, and when you click on that, that will automatically change the text errors in your article, and it's really easy. All you have to do is just copy the article cjinc.info will give you, paste it on Google Docs, use Grammarly to correct all the errors of the text, and send it back to them. You will then easily be accepted as a proofreader on their website. If you do this method, and if you follow all the steps I just told you, you will be able to make hundreds to thousands of dollars just by doing this. And again, you don't need any experience at all. And you don't need to have a broad knowledge on English because Grammarly will do the work for you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.